Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are reviewing the June YourNailLab in a box by Makartt. So we're starting off strong with these two gel polishes. Now I really like these because they are like jelly polishes. The blue was my absolute favorite. It reminded me of like melted popsicles, so cute. Next up we have this blue polygel. Now I'm pretty sure this came in their all blue polygel collection. This was super duper cute. I really love this color, very subtle. I would love to do a full set with this or even a French. This was so gorgeous. Next up we have some like nail rhinestones. These are also pretty cool because they are different like sizes and shapes. You get the AB, you get like a gunmetal, and then like a clear. Very pretty and always practical. Next up we have these like nail stickers. I really thought these were super cute. They remind me of like what's on trend right now, like the airbrush nails. So cute. Plus they have like little French tip ones which are adorable. And then we also got these like, I don't know if these are stickers or what these are. Someone let me know down below, but they are like a kind of holographic, iridescent. They're really pretty, have a rainbow shift, super cute. Next up we have some more nail charms. Now these are kind of like gold charms. They're different options. These ones seem to have like feathers and like rhinestones, a bow, some stars, very cute. Next up are these hearts, which I thought were really cool. They start off clear and then once you cure them in UV light, they do turn red, pink. So cool, never seen this before, and I was excited to use these. And then we also have these like 3D large charms. These are kawaii style charms, very cute. I love this mushroom. It was literally so adorable, so really like those. And then we also have some glitters. If you guys remember, these came in their pink polygel kit, and they're just standard fine glitters, nothing too crazy. And then lastly, I want to say we have this acrylic powder. I swatched it, but I couldn't find my swatch, but it's like a silver shade. Very cute. So we are starting off with some full cover tips on. These are the Mecart pump up tips. These are just the stiletto ones. And then I also have some of their like square ones, I'm pretty sure. I can't remember, but I do have a couple stiletto nails mixed in as well as some square tips. So I did go ahead and adhere these with some base coat. Now I am going to add on some base coat on top. And of course I did already file and buff my nails off camera, so definitely do those steps and then do your base coat. Y'all, I have been meaning to do more stiletto nails. I plan on doing some like sculpted Korean style nails in the future with them being stilettos. I just never reach for that shape. I think it's because I'm a mom and I'm too worried about poking my child. I don't know what it is, but I always steer away from stilettos, but I really do love them. They're very cute. So I'm taking my nail palette and I am going to take some of that blue gel polish. This polish was so pretty. I thought it was very cute, very cool. Now I'm also taking this kind of like white-ish polish from Makartt. This is the color Glow. It's pretty much like a white, but it's a little off, if that makes any sense. And then I'm taking from their new disco collection, their disco gels. I'm taking this blue, which is so pretty. I will have that video up for you guys probably within the next week using all of Makartt's disco gels. So for today we are doing just gel polish. We're not doing any polygel. And I am kind of going for a flame design today. I've never done flames, so this is my first time. So please be easy on me. I am literally just doing my best. But I really did like this color. I did use 2 coats just because 1 coat was just not enough. And you guys, another good idea for this gel polish polygel combo is if you're going to use the blue polygel, maybe using it as like your nail bed color underneath of the nails would make this look super cute. That's the one thing I hate about jelly polishes, is that you can still see your natural like nail bed and like fingernails. I don't love that, so I think adding the polygel would have been a cool touch. And I do apologize if y'all hear the fan in the background. It is super warm in my house right now, so I do have the fan on. I hope you guys don't mind. I am just really trying not to be sweating right now. Okay, so once all the nails have been polished and have been polished twice, we are going to work on doing our nail design. So I'm taking a liner brush and I'm just making a heart. This was way harder than I thought it was. I did not know how hard it was to draw a heart from scratch on my nails, but it was very hard to get it perfect. So once we have our heart on, we are going to go ahead and cure. I do recommend that for this nail design, once you're happy with the way it's going, definitely go ahead and cure it. That way if you mess up, at least you have a good base. So I am going for heart flames today, and I am doing my best to draw some thin lines and making the flame shapes. I will say that for one of these nails, it might be this one, I did go a little bit crazy with the way the flame was. I did make a mistake, but I did not want to leave it out the video. So obviously just make the best flame shape for you. I find it really easy to do the heart first and then add in the details of the flame. So I am just going to go ahead and make my swirly flame shapes. And this took a lot of practice. I probably practiced this nail like 3 or 4 different times. So definitely take your time. I do find it helpful to watch, multiple videos, kind of see how they do it. And then just do the flame nails, obviously the way that makes you feel the most comfortable. And, it turns out really, really good. And once I like the shape of my flame, I am just going in and I'm going to fill it in with that white polish. And the white polish is honestly just a base. If you are really good at doing nail designs, you don't have to use this white base layer. But I did find it made the disco gels a little bit more opaque, which is what I was going for. And I hope you guys are all having a good summer so far. I have been having a great summer. I have been out of the house a lot, so that's why there is a lack of videos. I always have an excuse, but yeah, I've been out and about, so I'm trying to get back into filming more videos. I'm starting to feel a little bit more creative, and I cannot wait to show you guys some of the nail designs I have in store for y'all. I'm really trying to go outside my comfort zone and do things a little different, so I really hope you guys are going to enjoy the nail looks I have coming up. And so this is where I kind of messed up with the nails. I went a little too swirly on the top of the flame, and to me it made it look a little bit like antennas, which I didn't love. So obviously just don't do that. So once our flame outline is done and filled in, I'm taking that blue gel, disco gel, and I'm just going over the flame. What I like about these gels is that they are super reflective and very sparkly. and I honestly thought it looked so good with that jelly background. It just turned out so well, and the colors flowed so good together. Yeah, I also think these would make some really cute 4th of July nails. I think they're just so sparkly, but they're not like cheesy 4th of July nails, because obviously, like, once you do like a set 4th of July set, I do think that you're probably going to get over it shortly after, just because, you know, red, white, and blue is very cool and definitely go America for the most part. I think it would be a little bit annoying to have a set for so long. So to me, this still gives kind of like 4th of July vibes, but a little bit more like current and trendy. So next up, I'm just taking some blooming gel, and I don't own the Makartt blooming gel, so I do apologize. I had to use a different brand. But we're just going to go ahead and leave this layer wet, and then I'm going in with my dotting tool, and I'm going in a diagonal motion, just making some little to big dots, or big to little dots, using the white polish. And this looks so cool. I thought the like jelly color was the perfect kind of base for this, and I really love how these turned out. These would definitely make some really cool summer nails. And so I went ahead and did the same thing on my pinky, and now I am also taking just a little bit more of that blooming gel. Actually, no, I lied. I'm taking a little bit of, actually, no, I am. Okay, confused. I'm taking more blooming gel, and I'm taking a jelly blue liner from Mecart. You can't see it. I used it off camera, but I'm kind of just using it to make little like aura kind of halo colors of the blue. I am going to be putting those hearts on top of this, but I wanted to kind of give it like that almost airbrushed look. So that is the reason why we're doing this, but you definitely don't have to do this step at all. So now I'm going to be taking just some top coat and some Mecart rhinestone glue. Let me know how you guys like to apply this. I am at the moment just globbing the rhinestone glue on, and then I will go ahead and top coat these nails. The hearts did last on the nails for a long time, but I wonder if I'm doing this a little wrong. If y'all have any tips for me on how to make the best of my Mecart rhinestone glue, definitely let me know, because I want to use it more often. I just find that sometimes my charms fall off, and I think it is a user error, not the product itself. Guys, I really liked these hearts. I thought they were so cool. I did make the mistake of not trying these out in the sunlight. I definitely wanted to do it and I forgot about it. But I thought these would look so cool on this nail design, just because we are going with that jelly theme and these are clear. I just thought this looked really awesome. So I went ahead and I am going to go ahead and top coat these nails. So I am taking just a Mecart top coat, and this is a clear top coat. And honestly, this clear layer made these like disco reflective glitters super duper sparkly and stand out. I really loved this box, as well as the new Makartt disco gels. If you're looking at my right hand, I do have one of those disco polygels on my nails, and this color is just so gorgeous. So I will have that video up within the next week, and that way you guys can see literally my 2 designs that I'm doing with that polygel kit and the gel polishes. Y'all, I thought these nails were very fun. I haven't done, kind of just super fun nails in a long time. I feel like my brain has me going for more of these simple, like, sets. Let me know if y'all are down to see me do the simple sets. A lot of times I do them off camera just for my own nails, but I don't usually record them, but I am interested in recording them. So let me know if y'all are okay with seeing simpler nail sets where maybe it's just like prep plus, the application, only because I just want to know if I should be filming these videos in case someone wants to watch them. And of course, we're curing this in the lamp for 60 seconds. So this is the final nails. As you can see, the hearts are turning that red pink color. I really loved how these turned out. I thought they were so fun and perfect for summer. Definitely go order your YourNailLab in a box. And you guys, I love you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.